to retain length. So you can see these pictures that I have going on from beginning of 2028. I had gone bald for whatever reason, and in all honesty I wanted to remain a bald girl, but that didn't happen, and I started to grow my hair fully natural. I was relaxed before, so this is not quite relevant to this video, but if you notice in the pictures, you can see that in all the pictures I had a lot of makeup at the time, and that's because my natural skin was really terrible and I wasn't comfortable with it, so I would always have a lot of makeup. And if you want to learn how I was able to take care of get rid of the acne, by the way, I'll show you that in my channel, so kindly stay tuned, subscribe and everything. And for my hair, back to the hair throwback pictures, you can see, yes, and by the time my hair was long enough to start braiding cornrows, it actually took over a year, to be very honest, to get to the length to conveniently braid cornrows without too much pain. I started popping wigs, like most black girls would, and by the time it was 2020, you could see the length of and fullness of my hair in these pictures. Well, in all honesty, my hair should be way longer than it should be like mid-back length by now. Why I say so is because there's been twice when my hair got up to bra strap length and I cut it back to neck length. So that's a lot of inches, by the way. I did that because I don't know, I just get bored, I get tired, and sometimes it's like trimming gone wrong and they overcut the hair, and I really don't care, to be honest. But my point is, if you follow the routine that I teach, to be honest, your hair is actually going to grow, because I take very good care of the hair, and that's why I'm able to retain this much length. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to be using this what is it called, hair straightening brush. It's a hot brush, like a hot comb, but this one is a hot brush. I've put it on for a while. Okay, yeah, I'm going to be using it to straighten my hair, and my hair is a little bit damp, so my hair like as if my hair is burning, which is very bad, but we gotta do what we gotta do, baby. Using it, and trust me when I say that it is way less damaging than when you use a blow dry. A blow dry sort of leaves your hair very kinky, very strong, and sometimes they try to when they dry it totally, your hair is as dry as it possibly can be, and they now try to use, you know, like a flat iron to make it seem pretty, but it's just not pretty. If there is any way you can avoid a blow dry, you can air dry, by the way. But the thing about air drying is that, for me personally, when I'm done air drying, my coils, because you can see that I had to detangle, and I didn't detangle because I have a tangled hair, but I did because my coil pattern, it only shows up at the tip of my hair, and it's really coily. But the rest of my hair is typically straight up until the tip, and is like jerry coils. That's how it looks. So if I don't sort of brush it out, it will dry up to be tangled. Do you understand? So that's why I do that. And then in the same way as well, when I'm done like with the whole afro thing, and if I air dry, sometimes I find that the roots of my hair is thick again. So when I want to style, I have to reapply leave-in conditioner or detangler or softener, anything that is going to help it not hurt. So anyways, like I said, I'm going in, I always, that I do braids or, you know, cornrows for wigs or whatever, but I'm going to the salon nonetheless, and I just don't want them to pull me through that blow dry pain. I either use this hair cream, Palmer's, or Indian hemp. Those are the two hair creams that I use. Then for hair oil, I use this one, Wild Growth hair oil, and Jamaican castor oil, if I want to use oil. Then this other one, it's called a serum actually, but it has jojoba oil, ukuba butter, itch relief serum, that's what it's called. So you're supposed to put it like when you're done styling your hair, like braids or cornrows, and it's itching you, you can use it. To be honest, I really don't know if it works, because I used it the last time I had braids, and I feel like this one even stops itching more, because when I just oil my scalp with this, I don't feel that itchy sensation. And that's why the conditioner that I use is an anti-dandruff conditioner, and also anti-dandruff shampoo. The Soy's shampoo is anti-dandruff, and this one anti-dandruff conditioner. And I will still use this because I don't know why I have such flaky, itchy scalp for no reason. I take very good care of my scalp, my hair, everything. And just like this. So I'm kind of tired right now, but yes, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions about your hair and stuff, you could ask, because I know enough. And I am low porosity hair, by the way, so my products are not heavy because my hair doesn't particularly, you know, absorb products as much. They will just be floating on the surface of my hair. And I'm also going down the lane of this clove, of which I'm going to film in another video. So if you have any questions, please kindly ask me. Comment, like, and subscribe, because the support means a lot to me. I work very hard on my videos, and I would love to see my channel grow, and I would love to also help you out as well. So